What's up, good people? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of B Tech Productions. Today we're going to get into Premiere Pro once again, and we're going to figure out how to export your first YouTube video. That's wonderful. Let's get some claps, some applause. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. You done figured out how to edit the video in Premiere, how to add music, how to add GIFs, you know, all of this stuff, make it pretty and stuff. Now, how do we get people to actually see it? I got you right here. The first thing that we're going to do is, that's right, we're going to share our screen. You know, I love how smart you guys are. That's amazing. All right, so we have a video over here. It's completely done. We added music, made sure that it wasn't blaring for our YouTube subscribers. This isn't working for me. Okay, cool. So we got this whole video. This is how simple Premiere Pro is, bro. Let me move this over here real quick. This is how simple it is. You see this share button? Quick export. It says it right there. So we're gonna go ahead and export this. Now what I've been doing actually is, and I got a lot going on my computer, as you can see it. I'm downloading something right now. It's crazy, you know. All right, so what, and the reason that it says this right now is because I got a lot of stuff missing from my project, so you know, whatever. But what I've been doing, me personally, I've been using this preset match source adaptive high bit rate. Okay, it's gonna tell me it's about 1.5 gigs or 1500 megabytes, you know, 2560 by 1440, so that's above 1080p, 29 frames per second, and then 33 megabits per second. The project is 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, and it's in stereo. Pretty easy. So once you do this, you go to just press export, and then it's going to be encoding the sequence. Currently it's saying it's going to take 30 minutes. I've never ever had an Adobe file take more than 10 minutes. And I'm talking about, I'm doing, you know, I've done a 2.5 hour project before. So I've never had an Adobe file take longer than 10 minutes. Like I said, I got a lot going on right now. I got my camera connected to my computer. I'm downloading something. I got Premiere open. I got Ecamm open. I got a lot of stuff open right now. So actually this is running like a champ. The fact that I'm even able to record this video and share my screen, you know. But once you do that, you'll see wherever you had it, like export the sequence at. I always do it on my desktop just because I like to be able to see it, upload it, then transfer it onto a SSD real quick. But yeah, that's how you export. Very simple. If you wanted to, and we could go back to our screen share, excuse me, we can go here, and let's say that we don't even want to use adaptive high bit rate. We can go to 4K or 1080 HD. But if we go to 4K, now we're at 3.6 gigs because the resolution is set to 3840 by 2160. If we're at 1080p, you'll see we are at 914 gigs. So when you do adaptive high bit rate, it basically is using machine learning, and it's like, I know what type of file this is because I'm Adobe and I'm smart, you know, essentially. Maybe that's what they're saying. Maybe that's not. I don't know. But anyway, I like to do adaptive high bit rate and then export. Very, very simple. Let me know if this helped. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Remember to always be smooth.